Welcome, in front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 7, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, we're going to pull down our toggles by swiping down from the top of our screen. Do so once again to extend the list of toggles and disregard this all of a sudden page jump. I'm going to go back to the first page, which is where we would normally be. And on one of those pages, you will see a power saving mode, hopefully. So let's see if I can find mine without actually misclicking. No, actually I don't see it. So I'm going to click right here on this pencil, and this will reveal all the toggles down here that are actually turned off by default. So I can then hold them and drag them to add them. So in here, hopefully I can find the power saving mode. If I can't, there's only one last place where it could be, which looks like that's going to be the case. I'm gonna check just one last time if I'm just not missing it. I don't see it here. So yeah, anyway, we're gonna go into the settings and then battery. And here we have system mode. So I did see this X mode somewhere here. There we go, it's actually right here. So it looks like this would be the power saving mode. Yep, so we have ultra durable, so battery. This would be basically what we are looking for actually. So it is kind of weirdly named, and also, as you can see, weirdly positioned right here as an X mode. So by default, X mode, when you enable it, is actually an overdrive for your device, which will consume more battery instead of less. But when you hold it, it will give you the option to select right here the ultra durability, or like you've seen, you can go to the settings and then battery, and in here you'll find the 3 modes as well, which you can customize. Now there is additional options right here because this is ASUS. We can click on the gear icon, and in here we do have a fairly vast array of options associated with power saving mode. So to quickly go into this, because this is a pretty extensive option list right here, we have things like touch sensitivity. So we can just change how sensitive the touch is, precisions, what else we got? We have a bunch of options for like refresh rates as an example. So if you don't want your display to be running at 60 Hertz when you enable this, and you still want to have the 144, you can turn that off and the device will keep the high refresh rate, though that will obviously consume more of your battery life. Then we have for system color scheme to dark and so on. So basically go over all of this, customize it to fit your needs. Obviously what would primarily matter here is keeping everything on and just disabling the crucial things that you wouldn't want to change. Obviously keeping in mind that everything that is enabled right here will increase your battery life. So there we go. Once that's all set, you can simply close this or save it by tapping on the check mark and just select it right here, apply, and there you go. Now it does add this marking right here that we are now using power saving mode, so you can clearly see it. So if you wanted to turn it off, you would have to either go back to the settings or hold this and select right here to be dynamic, which is the default option. Select apply, and that's about all you would need to do. So anyway, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.